Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn Something. I hope you are fine in COVID-19 situation. Today I am going to show you how to make an animation cartoon video without any animation skills. If you till the video and then I'm sure you can make own animated cartoon video. So, don't miss any step and learn how to make it. I hope you can enjoy this video. So, let's go.
At first, you have to download Plotagon Studio, where you can make animated video. So, you have to go any browser. I would like Chrome, and now write Plotagon Studio download and click on that link. I give you this link in the description. Download for free. I have already downloaded that software. I show you. You can see this is the Plotagon software. Just double click to open it. During the open software, you have to require internet connection and create an account. I have already logged in this software. Now you can see two buttons. First is create video and second is import project. You have to click create video, and at first I tell you this is the paid software, but after registered you have able for free trial for 30 days. After clicking create video button, you can see the screen and click on the scene button and choose your preferable scene. There is a different type of scene. I wanna choose doctor's office. Now click on the actor button and see the different types of character are here. You can make own character, and that character was made by me. I choose that character and give him the position. You can choose more character and like as previous and set the position. After set the character, you have to click on dialog button and set the character. Now you can give own voice using this button, or also you can write some dialogue to play the character. I write some dialogue. Hello, I am Dr. Zero. How can I help you? Now you can play to check it.
Hello, I am Dr. Zero. How can I help you?
And also you can change the personality.
Hello, I am Dr. Zero. How can
Now you can add more dialogue like as previous.
Yes, Dr. Zero. Long day I am suffering from hallucinating. Please save me.
After set, you can play your video.
Thank you, Dr. Zero. Hello, I am Dr. Zero. How can I help you? Yes, Dr. Zero. Long day, I am suffering from hallucinating. Please save me. Oh yeah, I'm prescribing some medicine. Please take it properly. Thank you, Dr. Zero.
And to export your project, click that button and click to render video and set the resolution and click to render and set export customization, like you can add subtitle or without subtitle as your wish. It will take some minutes, that depends on your project. After export, set the path location and write your project name and save it. I show you my work, you just see.
Hello, I am Dr. Zero. How can I help you? Yes, Dr. Zero. Long day, I am suffering from hallucinating. Please save me. Oh yeah, I'm prescribing some medicine. Please take it properly. Thank you, Dr. Zero. Hello my viewers and subscribers. How is it? Please tell me in comment section. I hope you enjoy my video and learn something. Please like, share, comments. And if you are a new visitor on my channel, please go subscribe for more important videos. Thanks for watching. See you again next video. Bye.